Happy Friday, everybody. I wanted to pop in and give a little bit of a technical video on taxes in China. And something that maybe a lot of people aren't even aware about, particularly if you are a startup in the Chinese market. You've newly incorporated your company, you're starting to generate revenue, you may even be starting to generate profit. Do you know what tax is applicable to you when it comes to profits tax or enterprise income tax? Well, just really short. So from the period of Jan 1, 2019 till the end of this year, there was a regulation that came out saying that if you had taxable income of less than a million renminbi, the profits tax rate would be at 5%. And if you had a taxable income rate of between 1 and 3 million renminbi, it would be a tax rate of 10%. Well, lo and behold, great news for those startups out there, whether you're foreign investors or whether you're mainland Chinese organizations. The government has come out with an update on that regulation that is being extended to December 31st, 2022, stating that from Jan 1, 2021, if you've got a taxable income of less than a million renminbi, it's going to be reduced to 2.5%. This is fantastic news for startups, for new entrepreneurs, for those of you that are just starting to generate profitable income or taxable income. This is for you. People always think that rates are extremely high in China, but you know what? They are caring for the SMEs that are out there. And it's a fair playing field whether you are a foreign investor or whether you are a mainland Chinese. So again, I'm just going to repeat it out. I'm going to write it up in the comments section, but just to repeat it out loud again, if you've got a taxable income of less than a million renminbi, you're going to be taxed at a 2.5% profits tax rate. Take advantage of that. And if you've got any questions, if you want details, if you want to understand the ins and outs, or even if you just want to do a scenario development to understand how in the next 3, 4, 5 years your tax liability would look like, then reach out, because this is something that we offer to clients to understand what their liability would be today and how it would look like along the way. Because ultimately, the biggest question that people have as soon as they get profitable is, how do I get my money out of China? That's a completely separate video, but it leads on to that topic of how do I repatriate funds out? So I'll touch on that a little bit next week. But if you do have any questions, let me know. I'd love to speak with you. Have a great weekend. Take care and goodbye.